There are two ways to get a website with Rocket Spark. You can make your own website using our do-it-yourself website builder, or you can work with a Rocket Spark design partner. Design partners are graphic designers, marketers, virtual PAs, business coaches, copywriters, and IT support businesses that are skilled at using the Rocket Spark website builder to design websites for businesses. So why go one way or the other? It comes down to what your priority is. If you're just starting out and cash flow is a challenge, there is no setup cost with a do-it-yourself website. It is really easy to design your own website, but it does take time adding your content and arranging your pages. If you simply don't have the time but have some cash set aside for marketing and website, getting a Rocket Spark design partner to design the website for you means you spend more time running your business and less time designing your website. In the hands of a skilled designer or marketer, your website is likely to be more effective and beautiful than if you designed it yourself. Then, once the site is designed, the design partner will hand over the keys for you to log in and edit the website yourself. Or if you'd rather they help you make future edits or additions to your website for you, that's an option as well. You can work with a Rocket Spark design partner at any time in your journey. You could start off with a DIY site, then later involve a design partner to take things to the next level.